property builders and real estate agents played a very important role in the market, because it was for the real estate agents or the property builders, in common parlance as we say, they were playing a very important role in making any kind of, I would say, inducement or any kind of advertisement with respect to a project. Now most of the advertisements or inducements were honest inducements by the real estate agents or the property dealers, but this was creating a vicious circle. So in case a developer has misrepresented to an agent, the agent would further misrepresent to the client, and which was creating a complete vicious circle in the real estate sector. There was no transparency, there was no accountability. Now as per the act, every real estate agent firstly would be required to be registered under the act. Every agent or every property buyer will have to be registered. Now why that was a bigger concern under the act? Because when the market was booming, it was a good time for the real estate sector. Every person, being illiterate, being literate, or having nothing to do with the real estate sector at all, was doing real estate transactions. He was acting as a property dealer. Now under the act, every real estate agents will have to submit all the required documents and about the particular documents which will be required by the state authority for getting himself registered, and he will be given a unique registration number. Whichever transaction that real estate agent is going to do with the clients and with the builder, he will have to code that real estate agent number. Not only that, under section 10 of the RERA, certain functions or duties of real estate agent have been defined. So every property dealer who is a real estate agent as per the act will have to perform all those functions and will be liable for all those duties as per section 10 of the act. He will have to be very fair to the buyer. He will have to tell every truthful information to the home buyer, or to the commercial property buyer. He will have to bring transparency into the system. He have to provide all the documents. He will have to do his due diligence. So these were the things which were lacking in the real estate sector before, and now transparency will come into the sector on behalf of the real estate agent and the property dealers also.